Hey everyone, I'm Jackie.
And I'm Sydney.
And we work for 4Patriots.
We're quite familiar with the products that we carry.
So we wanted to test a couple of our fan favorites out here today. We are camping overnight right outside of Nashville.
And we also have our colleague, Miss Emma, over here who will be behind the camera. So I haven't camped since I was a lot younger, so this is going to be a lot of fun to get back out there doing something that I haven't done for years.
I wouldn't say that I'm a huge camper, but I am excited to be out here with the 4Patriots products. My favorite for tonight being the generator. We're able to plug a lot of our own personal devices like our cell phones, the LED lights to make our campsite cute. We've got a lot of good products that will make this camping trip a little bit easier. So this is the Patriot Power Generator 1800, and I'm so excited to use it just because it has 8 different outlets, and so we can plug in so many things all at once. We're gonna plug in my phone so I can text my family and friends to say that I'm safe. I'm gonna use it to plug in my air mattress. But the best thing is that it's silent and fume-free. So I can take it inside the tent with me because it's good for both indoors and outdoors, and I can plug my fan in because as we all know, in the middle of summer in Nashville, it gets very hot. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on the generator right here in the back, and then I'm gonna turn on this switch right here, and you'll see that it's powered on. So I can just plug it in and start to blow up my air mattress. And there you have it. So quick, so easy. I'll be sleeping like a king tonight.
So we decided to go on a little nature hike, and we brought along our Patriot Power Cell, and this is currently charging my phone as we are out and about. The cool part about it is if Jackie wants to charge her phone, this can actually charge 2 at once.
And if we run out the battery by charging both of our phones, we have the power of the sun to charge up the power cell. So it's solar powered and it will recharge as we are charging our phones, just like we are right now. Does 4Patriots make goggles?
So we just got back from our nature walk, and Sydney and Jackie nominated me to make dinner for everyone. So I'm out from behind the camera to show you the easiest camping food you can make ever. We brought the 72-hour kit. It's got mac and cheese, oatmeal, and creamy rice and vegetable dinner. Everyone voted. We're making the mac and cheese tonight. Easy as turning on the generator, plugging it in, and turning up our hot plate. And this is really the easiest thing you could probably ever make while you're out camping. All you need to do is boil 3 2/3 cups water. I can already hear that thing heating up. And we'll wait for this guy to boil, and we're gonna pour in our mac and cheese, and we'll have dinner in 10 minutes. All we have to do now is remove the little oxygen absorber inside. And we'll pour it straight in. And then we just give it a good stir. Noodles and cheese all in one, not messy at all. And then all we'll need to do is let it sit and cook. And we'll have super quick, super easy camping mac and cheese. All right guys, dinner's up.
This will fill me up, keep me warm.
Yep. Not that we're needing to stay warm.
All right, so we made it through the night, and now it's time for breakfast. So we brought our Patriot Power Blender with us, and this is a small, compact, portable blender. It doesn't require any cord to plug it into the wall or anything. And we have our Patriot Power Greens that's gonna give us a little extra kick this morning. Add some strawberries, 1 scoop of this, a little bit of milk, screw that bad boy on tight, and then there's a little button here on the front, and all we do morning.
Good morning.
We have a nice little smoothie for us.
Delicious. Cheers, thanks for breakfast.
Cheers, you're welcome.
You know, I think it was a success. I think I was enlightened by the kind of heartiness of the dinner that we had, and I don't expect that while camping. You never expect a hot meal while you're out. I didn't want to eat trail food, so I don't feel groggy, and I'm ready to start my day, and I don't feel like I just spent all night in the wilderness.
I think that the products that we have, it goes more than just being survival stuff, that this is something that does come in handy in situations like this where you want to make the experience a little bit easier and more enjoyable. So camping with our products is the way to go, I'd say.
All right, you guys gonna be back out here next month, do it all again?
Maybe when it's not as humid.
Yeah, this is a hot time.